Students, now in this video I'm going to discuss with you some questions based on angles. Questions based on angles. Okay, I will discuss 8 different type of question which is based on complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay, now the first question is very small, simple question. Find the complementary of number 1, suppose 24 degree, second is 72 degree, and third is 2/3 of right angle. These are the 3 questions. Okay. First is complementary of 24 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 24 degree, and that is 66 degree. So this is your complementary of 24 degree. Okay. Now second is complementary of 72 degree. Okay. So that is 90 degree minus 72 degree, and this is only 18 degrees. Now for the third question, we have to first find out the 2/3 of 90 degree. So for third question, 2/3 of 90 degree is equal to 2/3 into 90 degree, and that is इसको अगर cancel करेंगे तो 3, this is 60 degree. Now complementary of 60 degree is equal to 90 degree minus that angle 60 degree, and this is 30 degree. So in this way you have to find out all the questions which is related to the complementary angles to find out the complementary. Find the second question, find the supplementary angles of 65 degree, second is 132 degree, and third is 3/5 of right angle. Okay, now you have to find out the supplementary of 65 degree, supplementary of 132 degree, and supplementary of 3/5 of right angle. So for first question, you write supplementary of 65 degree, and this is equal to 100 degree minus 65 degree. So this is 115 degree. Okay, are you getting me? Okay, now next question is supplementary of 132 degree. This is 180 degree minus 132 degrees. So that is 48 degree. Now for the third question, you have to find out first the 3/5 of the right angle. So for the third question, first of all, 3/5 of right angle. You know the right angle? Right angle is 90 degree. Okay. So 3/5 into 90 degree, that is 54 degree. If 5 से cancel होगा 18, 18 3 are 54 degree. Now you have to find out the supplementary of 54 degree. Supplementary of 54 degree, that is 180 degree minus 54 then the answer is 126. So in this way you have to find out the complementary angles and the supplementary angles of the given angle. Okay, now next question. Question number 3 is find the angle which is equal to its complementary. Find the angle which is equal to its number 1 complementary and second is equal to its supplementary. So for this question first, let the angle be x. Therefore, its supplementary is equal to 90 degree minus x. Now as per the question it is written that the angle which is equal to its complementary. So therefore according to the question x is equal to 90 degree minus x. The angle is equal to its complementary. So ये वाला x इधर आके ऐड होगा तो 2x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree. So 45 degree is equal to the 45 degree is complementary. Now second number is let the angle be x. Therefore its supplementary is equal to 180 degree minus x. Now as per the question angle is equal to its supplementary. So x is equal to 180 minus x. So ये दोनों x यहाँ ऐड हो जाएंगे. X is equal to 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So in this way you have to do this question. Okay. Now the next is question number 4. Find the angle which is 24 degree more than its complementary. Find the angle which is 24 minutes. So let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Therefore its complementary is equal to 90 degree minus x. Now angle is more than 24 degree more than this angle. तो अगर हम इस एंगल में 24 डिग्री ऐड कर दें तो इसके बराबर हो जाएगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन x is equal to 90 degree minus x plus 24 degree. Now you have to solve this. ये x यहाँ पर आके ऐड हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा 2x is equal to ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे तो आएगा 114 degree. So x is equal to आ जाएगा आपका 57. Okay. Now let's see next. Find the angle which is 36 degree less than its supplementary. Okay, now angle which is 36 degree less than its supplementary. So let the angle be x. Therefore its supplementary is equal to 180 डिग्री माइनस x। जब कभी भी सप्लीमेंट्री डिग्री, सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल की बात होगी तो 180 डिग्री लिखना होगा, ठीक है। सो दिस एंगल इज 36 डिग्री लेस देन दिस एंगल। तो अगर हम इसमें 36 डिग्री ऐड कर दें तो इसके बराबर हो जाएगा। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन x प्लस 36 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस x। तो अब ये 36 को यहां लाएंगे, x को यहां लाएंगे तो हो जाएगा 2x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 36 डिग्री। तो 180 डिग्री में से 36 माइनस करेंगे तो 2x इज इक्वल टू आएगा 144 डिग्री। सो देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 72 डिग्री। सो 72 डिग्री इज द एंगल व्हिच इज 36 degree less than its supplementary. Okay. Students, next question. Question number 6. Find the angle which is 4 times of its supplementary. So, an angle which is 4 times its supplementary. Okay. So, let the angle be x. Therefore, its supplementary is equal to 180 degree minus x. Now this angle is 4 times of this. It is given in the question. The angle is 4 times of this. So x degree is equal to 4 times of 180 degree minus x. So x is equal to 720, x का मल्टीप्लाई इसमें फिर इसमें होगा तो माइनस 4x। सो ये माइनस 4x will be coming here, transposing the terms we get 5x is equal to 720 degree, therefore x is equal to 720 degree upon 5 और डिवाइड हम करेंगे अगर तो आएगा आपका 144 degree। So this is the question. You can easily, the question is 4 times, the angle is 4 times of this. तो हमको क्या करना है, इस angle is equal to 4 times of this. Okay, have understand? Okay. Find the angle. Find the angle which is नहीं है, find the angle whose complementary is 1/3 of its supplement. ठीक है, तो एक एंगल है उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, उसके सप्लीमेंट्री से 1/3। सो लेट द एंगल बी x, लेट द एंगल बी x, देयरफॉर इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री is equal to 90 degree minus x and its supplementary is equal to 180 degree minus x. Now complementary is 1/3 of supplementary. This angle is 1/3 of this. So 90 degree minus x is equal to 1/3 180 degree minus x as per the question. It is given that the complementary of angle is 1/3 of supplementary of angle. Okay. So this is 90 degree minus x is equal to 60 degree minus 1/3 of x. ये 1/3 का मल्टीप्लाई इसमें होगा तो 60 डिग्री आएगा, इसका मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ होगा 1/3 of x. ओके, अब ये 1/3 को मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, x को उस तरफ ले जा रहा हूँ और 60 डिग्री को यहाँ ले जा रहा हूँ। तो 90 डिग्री माइनस 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 1/3 of x. So what you will get, 2/3 of x is equal to 30 degree. Therefore x इज इक्वल टू, इसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 90 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाई 2 45 डिग्री। सो 45 डिग्री का जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होगा वो 45 डिग्री होगा। वो अपने सप्लीमेंट्री को, उसका सप्लीमेंट्री क्या होगा 135, तो 135 को 1/3। द सप्लीमेंट्री angle are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles. मतलब एक एंगल और उसके सप्लीमेंट्री का रेशियो 4/5 है। So you have to find out the angles कौन से हैं। Let the angle be x, तो उसका सप्लीमेंट्री क्या होगा 180 माइनस x, तो उन दोनों का रेशियो 180 डिग्री माइनस x। मान लीजिए ये एंगल छोटा है, सो ये बड़ा है, तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं, तो 4/5 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आएगा 4x इज इक्वल टू 5, ये इधर मल्टीप्लाई 5x और इसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 इंटू 180 डिग्री माइनस x, और 5x इज इक्वल टू ये इसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा 720 डिग्री, इसका मल्टीप्लाई इसमें होगा तो -4x। अब ये 4x यहाँ के ऐड होगा तो कितना हो जाएगा 9x, क्योंकि माइनस साइन है यहाँ आएगा तो ऐड होगा 720 डिग्री, डिवाइड करेंगे x इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा 80 डिग्री। देयरफॉर इट्स सप्लीमेंट्री, इसका जो सप्लीमेंट्री होगा वो क्या होगा इज इक्वल टू 100 डिग्री। 180 में से 80 माइनस करेंगे कितना आएगा 100 डिग्री। सो these are the questions you have to do, and I will give you some questions for practice. Okay.